Here's another one of the cars we got out of the collection, out of North Dakota. 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. Again, this was in a collection. It had been in storage for a while. We got it out. Fresh gas, battery charged, fires up, runs nice. I'd call this maybe a driving, I won't really say project. The car drives out nice. It just could use some TLC, let's put it that way. The paint on it does show its age. There's some spots where it's corroded. I'll kind of try to point those out as we go around here. Some of the filler panels, little stuff like that, like here where it's discolored. Again, interior's in nice shape. Seems to run out decent. Automatic transmission, shifts nicely. It's just more some of the cosmetic stuff. As you can see, the chrome and the bright work and the grill, fascia, everything up front, nice shape. Areas of the paint, nice luster to it, but there's other areas where it's going to show some age. You can check out the still pictures. I have some still pictures. The underside of this car, nice and solid. Engine bay, just what you'd expect from a 73 Caddy. Interior's nice shape. But check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Then you can take a look at them, take your time clicking through them, check this thing out. Again, I'm going to do some pointing out of some of the areas that I've noticed. Obviously right here, you got a little dinger that's touched up. Again, came out of kind of long-term storage of the collection that we got out of North Dakota, where there was quite a few cars similar to this. Okay, I'm going to come down here, little dinger on the aluminum or the bright work kind of at the bottom of the door, and then you can see a few of these spots where it's some corrosion on the paint where it's been touched up along the trim piece there. See, it's got the fender skirts. Fender skirts are in nice shape. Interior is original. Take a look at the back seat. Original red leather interior. So interior won't take a whole lot. Some nice cleaning up. Maybe some leather conditioner. Interior's in nice shape. I've played around with it a little bit. Here's something I even noticed. Check that out. The clock works. Wipers work, radio works, power top works. Power top's in nice shape. White vinyl top to it. Very nice shape. I guess if that's kind of grading this whole car, it's the paint that if you wanted to make it a extremely nice car, a repaint or touching up areas of it. Let's come around back here. You can see there's been a little corrosion down here around the Eldorado emblem. Some spots where it's touched up or the paint is showing its age up here. You know, is it bad? No. I mean, you could get in this car and drive it, and worst parts in the driver's door, I'll get around there in a little bit too. But again, kind of a little TLC to this car, and you could bring her back up to the next level. Over here in the corner, I just laid this out. It's in the back seat, but that's the hard cover or parade cover for the soft top there when it's put in. I was going to click it in, but I kind of wanted to show that it is a white top and it is in nice shape. So it does have the hard parade boot, if you will, or the hard top for the convertible boot in the back. You can give us a call too. If you got any questions on this car, please feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And we can always assist with the transportation of this vehicle to where you're located at. And here's the worst spot on where the paint's kind of peeled. Again, it doesn't appear to be, a real rusty car. It's just more paint quality than anything. Some spots along the trim on this side too, kind of like the other side. Come around and take a look at this interior. Again, interior, and this thing's pretty darn nice. Leather interior red. The warning buzzer works even. Power windows all worked. Like I said, the wipers did work. Power top, so a lot of things working as they should in this car. Take a look at this. Dash, not all cracked like you'd expect. This is believed to be a 70-some thousand mile car, I believe it is. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Here it run. 75,000, I believe it is. That's believed to be original miles. Judging by the interior, it would make sense. mean, starts nicely. Nice running car. Like I said, the radio does work. Maybe a little earlier, even that clock was working over there. A lot of potential in this car, no doubt about that. Again, still pictures. Check them out, see the undersides, engine bay. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to slip around to the front here. We'll pop the hood. It's got the big 500 cubic inch V8 underneath there, paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Check it out. All right, here you go underneath the hood. Got 500 cubic inch V8. See, everything's complete. Does have the compressor on top here. That is still there. Clutch is not frozen. The belt deck is hooked up. Sounds like a little bit of an exhaust over there. You can tighten up the manifold, get rid of that or not, or need a gasket. But like I said, a lot of potential in this car. A little TLC to have yourself a heck of a 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible to cruise around with. There you have it. Give us a call. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. White on red, white power top. 73 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. Give us a call.